Assalamu alaikum grade 6. Hope so you all are well by the grace of Allah Almighty. Students, in our previous lecture we have understood some concepts about shapes and lines. Now move towards the new concept, that is straight line. Students, straight line, as we know that a straight line extends infinitely on both sides. Straight line extends infinitely on both sides and it is represented as with double arrows. यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है और इसे बोथ डायरेक्शन में एरोस के अकॉर्डिंग रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं एंड वी कैन राइट इट एज ए बी, और इसका रिप्रेजेंट इस तरह से करेंगे, इसके ऊपर एक लाइन विद डबल एरोस. Now students, a line is composed of an infinite number of points. We are familiar from this point, that is line is composed of infinite number of points. Now let's move towards the definition of collinear points and non-collinear points. So what are the collinear points? अगर एक ही लाइन में 3 या फिर 3 से ज़्यादा पॉइंट्स लाई कर रहे हो then that are called collinear points. Students, here is the definition, that is 3 or more points lying on the same straight line are known as collinear points. Students, here you can see that the points A, B, C, D and E are lying on the straight line. So these points are called collinear points. As the points A, B, C, D and E can be connected by a single straight line, the points A, B, C, D and E are known as collinear points. Because ये points एक straight line पे lie कर रहे हैं, that's why these are called collinear points. Now here is the definition of non-collinear points. As you can see here, the points not lying on the same straight line are known as non-collinear points. स्टूडेंट्स, जो पॉइंट्स एक स्ट्रेट लाइन पे लाइन नहीं कर रहे डेट आर कॉल्ड नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स. एज यू कैन सी है P, Q, R, S are the non-collinear points because they are not lying on the straight line. Points P, Q, R, S cannot be connected with a single straight line. The points P, Q, R, S are called non-collinear points. Now what does it mean, the point of intersection of the lines? स्टूडेंट्स, अगर दो या दो से ज़्यादा लाइंस एक ही पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हो देन डैट विल बी द कॉल्ड द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ द लाइंस. जिस पॉइंट पे वो इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हो, जैसे यहाँ पे हमारे पास 2 लाइंस है और ये जो 2 लाइंस है ये पॉइंट पी पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं, दिस पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ द लाइंस. और यहाँ पे भी 3 लाइंस हैं और एक पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं, दिस पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ द लाइंस. एंड हेयर आर द 3 points of intersection, 1, 2 and 3. Now let's see the concept about concurrent lines and non-concurrent lines. Students, here is the definition, that is if 2 or more lines pass through a point, they are called concurrent lines. As you can see here, स्टूडेंट्स, अगर दो या दो से ज़्यादा लाइंस एक ही पॉइंट से पास हो रही हो देन डैट लाइंस आर कॉल्ड कंकरेंट लाइंस. एज यू कैन सी हेयर, यहाँ पे हमारे पास 2 लाइंस एक ही पॉइंट से पास हो रही हैं, डैट्स वाई दीज लाइंस आर कॉल्ड कंकरेंट लाइंस. और यहाँ पे भी 3 लाइंस एक पॉइंट से पास हो रही हैं देन दीज लाइंस आर कॉल्ड कंकरेंट लाइंस. और यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट से पास नहीं हो रही, डैट्स वाई दीज आर नॉट कंकरेंट लाइंस. Now here is the definition of non-concurrent lines. As you can see here, the lines which do not pass through the same point are called non-concurrent lines. Students, वो लाइन जो कि सेम पॉइंट से पास ना हो then that are called non-concurrent lines. As you can see here, यहाँ पे हमारे पास लाइंस एक ही पॉइंट से पास नहीं हो रही, 3 डिफरेंट पॉइंट से पास हो रही हैं, that's why these lines are called non-concurrent lines. Here is the word lines, not points. There is a note, that is a straight line has only one dimension, that is length. If you look at the straight line through a magnifying glass, the line appears to have a thickness. अगर हम straight line को magnifying glass से देखें then it will appear thick. By definition, however, a line does not have thickness. A straight line extend to infinity in both direction. Straight line को हम both directions में extend कर सकते हैं up to infinity. Now next one is a plane. Students, here is the definition of a plane. A plane is a 2-dimensional surface that has length and breadth. As here you can see that this one is called length and this one is called breadth. इसके जो सामने वाली साइड हो गई, this one also called breadth, और यहाँ पे it is also called length. So ये जो हमारे पास फिगर है that is 2-dimensional and it is called a plane. स्टूडेंट्स, जो लॉन्गर साइड होती है डेट इज़ कॉल्ड द लेंथ और द शॉर्टर साइड इज़ कॉल्ड ब्रेथ. दिस वन इज़ लॉन्गर, डेट इज़ वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड लेंथ, and this one is also longer, it is also a length, and this one is shorter, it is breadth, and this one is also shorter, it is also breadth. So the longer side is often referred to as the length and the shorter side is called the breadth. The length and breadth or width. We can say breadth or width are the two dimensions of a plane. These are the two dimensions of a plane. Next one is about tilted planes. The surface of a board tilting slightly on its sides is an example of a tilting plane. Students, the meaning of tilting means झुका हुआ. So the tilting slightly on its sides is an example of tilting plane, that is an example of board. Also here is the example, the blackboard is often a tilted plane. Also the top of the desk when it is open is a tilted plane. The display panel of a laptop has a tilted plane. As you can see, here is the figure. The longer one side is called length and the shorter one side is called breadth, and the tilted slightly figure is called tilt planes. Next one is horizontal planes. It is easy to get a perfectly horizontal plane in your classroom. Now students, place on the floor a glass, a bottle or an inverted glass cone, each half filled with water. As you can see here, each half filled with water. Here is half filled with water. The surface of water in each case is a circular horizontal plane. अब ये circular horizontal plane है, also in the form of circular but also in horizontal plane. Now students, if we slightly tilt the glass or bottle, the water surface remains horizontal. जो water surface है उसकी जो water की surface होगी that will remain horizontal but its shape will be changed. Students, you can see here is the circular shape, but here now it is not in circular, it is elliptical. Whatever position a bottle of water is placed in the room, the surface of water will always be horizontal. Now what are the parallel planes? Here you can see that the surface of the floor and the ceiling are two opposite walls. If you can notice it, two opposite walls are parallel planes. Now the surface of two hard covers of a book are vertical parallel planes. The surface of two hard covers of a book are vertical parallel planes. Now here these are the three horizontal planes parallel to each other, 1, 2 and 3. These are the three horizontal planes. Students, you can see these three planes cannot meet each other. Horizontal parallel planes do not intersect, however much they are extended in all directions. जैसे आप जितना भी extend कर लें, they can't intersect each other. They are non-intersecting planes. This one is called non-intersecting planes. Now let's move towards the vertical plane. Here you can see that a wall is a vertical plane. This one is a wall and it is a vertical plane. Students, ये हमारे पास vertical है, horizontal नहीं है. That is why it is called a vertical plane. This one is called a vertical plane. And also you can see that the two opposite walls of a room never intersecting, however long they are stretched. इसे आप जितना मर्जी stretch कर लें, they can't intersect each other, opposite two walls. These are vertical non-intersecting planes. These are called vertical non-intersecting planes. Now what are intersecting planes? Look at the edge of the floor of your classroom where it meets the wall. The vertical and horizontal planes intersecting along the edges. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखें bottom पे आप देख सकते हैं ये हमारे पास 3 edges है, 1, 2 and 3. These are the 3 edges. So ये एक point पे intersect कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स जो वर्टिकल प्लेन्स है और हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन है, दिस वन इज हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन एंड दीज आर द वर्टिकल प्लेन्स, और ये एक पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं. इफ़ टू प्लेन्स इंटरसेक्ट दे डू सो इन ओनली वन लाइन. इस फिगर में हमारे पास ये हॉरिजॉन्टल फ्लोर है एंड दीज टू आर वर्टिकल वॉल. And also all cubes and cuboids are formed from 3 pairs of intersecting planes, as these are the 3 planes 1, 2 and 3 of intersecting. Now here you can see the figures. 2 non-intersecting or parallel planes. These are the non-intersecting and also parallel. Second one is 2 intersecting planes at 2 points. यहाँ पे 2 intersecting planes है और 2 points पे intersect कर रहे हैं at point A and B. Now 3 intersecting planes at 2 points. 3 intersecting planes and also are intersecting at 2 points that are A and B. Students, any number of planes can be drawn through 2 points A and B. Now here is a table about point and line. Students, point has 0 dimension, as here is a point, it has 0 dimension. A point has only a position. Line has only one dimension. A line has one dimension, that is length. Next is about plane. Plane has two dimensions. As you can see, here is the figure of plane. A plane has two dimensions, length and breadth. And also about solid. Solid has three dimensions. A solid has three dimensions, that are length, breadth and height. Now let's see here, remember it. Point number 1 is a point has no dimension, as we have studied it, length, breadth or height. It defines only a definite position. Point की just definite position होती है. Point has no any dimension, length, breadth or height. Second point is a line is defined by 2 points. Line can be defined by 2 points, say A and B. It has one dimension, length, that is length, and it has one dimension. Its length extend to infinity in both direction. इसके length को हम both directions में extend कर सकते हैं. The 2 points A and B are collinear points. As we have studied, collinear point are those that are laying at a straight line. Point number 3 is a plane has two dimensions, length and breadth, as we have studied here. Plane has two dimensions. A plane extends to infinity both lengthwise and breadthwise. We can extend it up to infinity both lengthwise and breadthwise. Fourth point is an infinite number of planes can be drawn through 2 points or a straight line. We can draw infinite number of planes through 2 points or straight line. स्टूडेंट्स कैसे भी 2 पॉइंट से हम इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ प्लेन्स ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. फिफ्थ वन इज only one plane can be drawn through the 3 non-collinear points. अगर 3 non-collinear points हैं तो वहाँ से हम just one plane draw कर सकते हैं. Only one. Sixth one is a solid has 3 dimensions. As we have studied here, solid की 3 dimensions होती हैं, that are length, breadth and height. Students, it was all about lines and planes. So understood all the concepts and learn important points. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.